everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Happy Monday, everybody. I'm so excited you could join us. Mondays is Casing the Catalog Monday. My inspiration today, you guys, I found on page 30. It's this one down on the bottom. This one right here. Super cute. I love this suite. So I kind of left it a little bit plain. That way you could maybe change this up. So this doesn't necessarily have to be a Christmas card. This could be a birthday card, you know, for a masculine type theme. And again, I didn't really put a sentiment on the inside as well. So I could use this for a birthday or a thank you or a congratulations. Today's card, though, we are going to make a Christmas card. So, now if you are new to my channel, welcome you guys. I'm so excited you are here. The designer series paper I'm using today is the Brightly Gleaming. And it's got some beautiful like copper. It's so pretty, you guys. How amazing is this paper? Gorge. Love it. Isn't that nice? And all the paper is double-sided. So like really nice paper, you guys. This one seems like it has like glitter in it. So our card base today. Now if you miss any of these measurements, don't stress. I will have written detailed instructions over on my website. Our card base today, we are using the Night of Navy, and this piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and it's scored at 5 1/2. I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and that's for the inside. That piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I went ahead and I ran this through my embossing folder, the hammered metal, I believe. And this is gorge. Now you could use it this way, or you could flip it over and you could use it that way. But it's really nice, you guys. I also went ahead and cut my designer series paper to save some time. This piece is cut at 2 inches by 5 1/4. I went ahead and I die cut the largest stitch shape in the circles. And this piece is like a 3-inch circle. And then I have this big star, and that is these foil, beautiful foil like papers, you guys. Brightly gleaming foil elements. Very nice. And then I thought, well, for today, we will use this Christmas like ribbon, because when I was playing around with the card and I went like that and I was like, ooh, I actually like that. But I originally, you guys, stamped and cut out these because on the card in the catalog it had one of these on top of the star, but I actually didn't like it, so we're actually not going to use these. And very easy card, you guys. We're just going to fold our card base in half. Now I did not score this prior, which I probably should have, but I'm going to use my bone folder to give that a nice crisp edge. You will notice on this one here, I put the crackled piece like the other way. So for this card here, I'm going to flip it over. You can see the difference. So I thought I would change it up on this particular card. I am going to add, I'm using some multi-purpose liquid glue, you guys. You know I love this stuff. And I'm going to attach my designer series paper. To my Night of Navy panel. And this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm then going to attach my circle. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, you can do so by hitting that subscribe button down below. Now, if you are new to stamping, casing stands for copy and share. And you can copy a card exactly as you see it, or slightly switch it up a little bit and make it your own. Just going to add that. I'm going to come with this ribbon, you guys, and I'm going to lay that down right there. I got some paper snips. I want that Merry Christmas. So I'm going to cut it off. I'm just going to come in with some glue dots. Perfect. I can now add this to the front of my card. So pretty, you guys, don't you think? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Simple card, you guys. But, and again, this was a Christmas. This was not. Fun. Now, let's do the inside. We always have to do the inside. I'm using some Night of Navy ink. And I have this little like scrolly thing. I'm going to stamp one in the top, one down in the bottom. Cool. And then let's do we are going to do this deck the halls. Praying we're straight. Oh, that looks so skew. Oh. Perfect. Love it when that happens. I don't want my ink to smudge, you guys, before I get a chance to put it in the card. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a great week ahead. Please join me back here on Wednesday. My house is so nice and quiet, you guys. I'm home alone. It's great. Awesome. Oh, on this one here, I added these little stars. I forgot about those. Ooh, now I can't find them. All right, you guys, I can't find my stars. Oh, well. Aw, that's too bad.